Now the IEEE, as I've talked about before, is the one that comes up with some of the standards. Remember, they're not building equipment. They're just coming up with the guidelines and the standards that we should build our equipment to. They have about 400,000 members in 160 different countries. And as they create these, they're just, how else can I say it? It's just written documents. They're not making equipment, but they're describing how the technical processes and equipment should function. So we hope that the vendors are following those ideas, such as years ago when we got excited about high throughput, 802.11n. The IEEE really hadn't finished that document before vendors started putting that equipment out. And there was a problem in the early days that not everything was compatible as they worked together because we didn't really have a set standard. Once it was standardized, then of course vendors made their equipment work with that standard, and the Wi-Fi Alliance would be able to verify that they worked with within those guidelines and worked with other people's equipment.